Hello children, कैसे हो? Students, today I am going to teach you question number 5, exercise 4.3. Please like, share and subscribe my video so that you can get my upcoming videos time to time. Let us come to the question. I am reading out the question. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the two subjects. So children, इसमें आप देखिए लास्ट में क्या है, you have to find the marks in the two subject maths and English. So whatever you have to find out, you will make that let. So I will write down let marks in maths equals to x and let the marks in English equals to y. Now ATQ, according to question, it is given that the sum of the marks in maths and English is 30. So I will write x plus y equals to 30. From here I can isolate y. So y, bring x on the right side. So y equals to 30 minus x. So this is y in terms of x. Label it as equation number 1. Next it is given that 2 marks more in maths. If she gets 2 marks more in maths, what will be her new marks? Original marks x plus 2. New marks will become x plus 2. And 3 marks less in English means y is the original marks, 3 marks less हो जाएगा तो how many marks you will get now? Y minus 3. So 2 marks more in maths means x plus 2, 3 marks less in English means y minus 3. Now according to the question, it is given that product of these marks means product of x plus 2 and y minus 3 is 210. So product of these marks is equal to 210. So product of these marks, pick up from here, x plus 2 into y minus 3 equals to 210. This equation I have obtained from the second part of the question. Now इस इक्वेशन में आप क्या देख रहे हैं चिल्ड्रन? यू हैव टू वेरिएबल्स x and y, and you already know that the quadratic equation has only one variable in it. So what I will do, I will convert this equation in one variable. How can I convert it? By making use of equation number 1. From equation number 1, y equals to 30 minus x. So in place of y, I will substitute 30 minus x. So put y from equation 1. So this will become x plus 2, y 30 minus x. In place of y, I will substitute 30 minus x minus 3 equals to 210. Next, this x plus 2 as it is. Second bracket, 30 minus 3 gives you 27 and minus x bracket close equals to 210. Now these are the product of two terms, x plus 2 into 27 minus x. I will apply distributive law. So first term of the first bracket, x into second bracket complete, plus second term 2 into second bracket complete equals to 210. Now multiply x into 27 27x, x into minus x square, plus 2 into 27 54, plus 2 into minus x minus 2x equals to 210 equals to 210. अब next minus x square 27x, ये दो टर्म्स देखिए, x के दो टर्म्स हैं आपके पास, एक है माइनस 2x, 27x एंड माइनस 2x. सो 27x minus 2x gives you plus 25x, right? And this 54 as it is. And bring this 210 from right hand side to left hand side. So it will become minus 210. So what remains on the right hand side? 0. Next, this is minus x square as it is, plus 25x as it is. Subtract. 54 minus 210 gives you minus 156 equals to 0. अब आप क्या करेंगे चिल्ड्रन? ये सारे साइंस आप चेंज कर दीजिए, बिकॉज एक्स स्क्वायर के आगे माइनस साइन अच्छा नहीं लगता, तो हमको पॉजिटिव बना लेंगे. कैसे करेंगे? आई कैन चेंज द साइन ऑफ ऑल द टर्म्स. सो दिस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस, प्लस विल बिकम माइनस, माइनस बिकम्स प्लस. जीरो में चाहे आप कोई भी साइन लगाओ, इट विल रिमेन ऑलवेज जीरो. सो ये हमने इसलिए किया है जिससे कि हमारी इक्वेशन थोड़ी इजी दिखाई दे जाएगी. अब आप देखिए, एक्चुअली बोथ आर सेम, बट सिंपली चेंजिंग द साइन इज नॉट चेंजिंग योर इक्वेशन. सो ये आपका क्या आ गया? ये इक्वेशन मैं आपको दोबारा लिख देती हूँ नेक्स्ट पेज पे, बिकॉज अब आप यहाँ आ जाइए. इक्वेशन इज एक्स स्क्वेयर माइनस 25x plus 156 equals to 0. This is finally which we have obtained. This is the equation I have obtained. Now if I compare it with the standard form, ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इक्वल्स टू 0। अब आप देखिए आपका इक्वेशन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में आ गया, वन वेरिएबल में आ गया एंड इट बिकम्स अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। नाउ आई विल मेक यूज ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला इन ऑर्डर टू सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन। तो हम सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे, क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला। व्हाट इज योर क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला, एक्स इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू ए इंटू सी डिवाइड बाय 2 इंटू ए। Now I will take the values of a, b, c from this equation. What is the value of a? Coefficient of x square, which is 1. So a equals to 1. What is the value of b? Coefficient of x, which is minus 25. Coefficient of x has to be taken along with its sign. So minus 25. b equals to minus 25. What is c? The constant term without any x in it. This is plus 156. So c is 156. What next now? I will substitute these values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula. So come to this next step. X equals to minus minus. This minus is the formula wala minus. b is how much? Bracket में लिख दीजिए. b is minus 25. Plus minus square root. b square means minus 25 square. Minus minus. 4 into a into c means 4 into 1 into 156. Pick up the values of a and c from here. 4 into a and into c means 4 into 1 into 156. So I write 4 into 1 into 156. Divide by 2 into a means 2 into 1. Next, x equals to minus into minus becomes plus. So I get plus 25. Plus minus square root. Minus 25 square means minus 25 into minus 25 gives you 625. Minus minus 4 into 1 into 156 624. Divide by 2 into 1 2. Next, x equals to 25 plus minus subtract 625 minus 624 square root, you will get 1. Divide by 2. Next, square root of 1. So x equals to 25 plus minus 1 divided by 2. What next now? I will consider the two signs plus and minus separately. So x will be equal to, if I take plus sign, it will become 25 plus 1 upon 2. If I take minus sign, x will be 25 minus 1 upon 2. So keep on solving. X equals to, this becomes 26 upon 2. Here it will become 24 upon 2. Cancel it out. X equals to 13. Cancel it out. X equals to 12. So what are your two answers? X का आंसर आपको क्या मिला children? 13 and 12. These are the values of x. Now I can write down these values. x आपको क्या मिला? 13 और 12. ना आपका इक्वेशन नंबर 1 क्या था चिल्ड्रन? दोबारा लिख देती हूँ. y इक्वल्स टू 30 माइनस एक्स. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, जो हमारा x का वैल्यू आया उसको हम सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. सो आई एम सब्सटीट्यूटिंग 13. So you will get 30 minus 13, 17. So it means that if I substitute x equals to 13, y is equals to 17. Right children? ये मैंने 13 पुट करके x का वैल्यू ये y का फाइंड आउट करा है. अब मैं आपको x का वैल्यू 12 भी है आपके पास, तो अब आपको 12 पुट करके देखिए. y इक्वल्स टू 30 माइनस एक्स आपकी इक्वेशन नंबर 1 थी, तो y का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? 30 माइनस ये 12 वाला x डाल दीजिए, यू विल गेट 18. सो इट मीन्स दैट इफ आई पुट x इक्वल्स टू 12, I am getting y equals to 18. So you are getting two answers here. If x is 12, y is 17. Second answer is if x is 12, y is 18. Right children? So this is first answer, this is second answer. So what was your x and y in the beginning? X was marks in maths. So marks in maths कितना हो गया? 12. यहाँ से ले लीजिए. Y was the marks in maths. So marks in English, sorry, maths के 12 हो गए. Marks in English was y. So y is 18. So this is your one answer. ये यहाँ से ले लिया आपने. और second answer will be marks in maths, which is x, 13. Marks in English, which is y. Take from here 13. Sorry, 17. So these are your two answers. First answer, second answer. Right children? I hope it is clear to you. Bye bye.